Hey Wanderers, welcome back. It's Courtney from Wonderfully Wander, and today I'm going to be cleaning up the smaller of the larger crystal cluster that I did in my last video of using the oxalic acid, and I'm going to do a hot process again, but I want to show you guys real quick what the crystal looked like before we put it in, and I'm going to repeat the process that I did in my part 1 video, but I will show you the before, the after, all the things. So let's go. Okay, my friends, here is my smaller of our 3 larger clusters that we got at the Ron Coleman Mine in Arkansas. You can see there's still quite a bit of that dark earth and the peanut butter clay that is stuck on that. And we did a good amount of scrubbing. Mind you, we didn't have a pressure washer. If we did, that would have made doing this a lot easier, but on the road, that's not something that we have in our storage bin. But that thing weighs about 10 pounds, so it's a husky guy. I did put it into my crock pot to see if it would even fit. It does, but I had to change my water ratio. So in my part 1 video, the smaller clusters, I did 12 cups of water, 4 ounces of the oxalic acid. This time I'm doing 16 and taking it to a 5.3 ounce with that. So here's the remnants of that from my other larger ones I get to do with the cool process. Again, do this outside. This is a very caustic chemical. Make sure that you have gloves on. Make sure that there's great ventilation. The last thing you do is want to make yourself sick. This is odorless, colorless. You do not want that. And I know better. I know that metal and chemical don't mix. Good thing the spoon was cheap, but I did tarnish our spoon. So I'm gonna mix all these up. I'm gonna get that crystal in there and get that cleaning. I started off by doing like 14 ounces of water, putting in the chemical so that I could get it mixed up, and then I'll add in the crystal and then some more water. So that's my process. Of course, anybody can do it any way that they want. I just wanted to showcase what I felt was best for me. Okie dokie, we are in there. It's a cooking. That thing is as full could be for this crock pot. But I needed it to be to fully cover over this crystal. So I have it on high. Again, you want to stay below boiling point, so just under 200. And I'm going to set my timer for 3 hours, baby. We ended up letting this one do the hot process for a little bit more than 3 hours. It had some pretty stubborn bits of earth that didn't want to come off. But oh my gosh, look at that result, you guys. That turned out so beautiful. And you can see there's like a real deep spot in there. It was a lot that needed to be cleaned out. And I'm just so happy with this. We did the 4 to 5 water bath processes. There's some peanut butter clay that is actually formed deep inside the cluster, which made it a really cool character piece. This one is cool too, because it's just like a dark section, and I don't know, I think it gives it a lot of character. I think it cleaned up so beautifully. I love it so much, and I can't wait to display it. Give me a comment, let me know what you guys think about this piece, and I'm gonna get ready to show you the other 2 large clusters.